Magandang araw sa lahat. I received a message concerning a criminal complaint for murder. And according to her, they filed a complaint for murder before the office of the prosecutor. Now, after the required preliminary investigation, the office of the prosecutor resolved the complaint, and the investigating prosecutor recommended the filing of the crime of homicide instead of murder. Of course, it was approved by the city prosecutor. Now, not contented with that finding, so they sent me a message. And a portion of the resolution was sent to me, and there was a statement there that the weapon used in killing the victim was not recovered. So because of that statement, they are claiming that the prosecutor committed a mistake, that the prosecutor sided in favor of the accused, now the accused, by filing an information in court for homicide and that murder primarily because the weapon used in killing the victim was not recovered. Well, I said, that is not the reason. That is not the reason why the prosecutor did not file a complaint, an information for murder, but only for homicide. The reason is because the qualifying circumstance were not proven. The fact that somebody was killed, the crime is already murder. No. To constitute the crime of murder, the complainant should prove the presence of qualifying circumstances under the revised penal code, like, for instance, treachery, evident premeditation, or cruelty, right? And others. So, failure to prove or to present evidence proving qualifying circumstances or any qualifying circumstance, the prosecutor will not file an information in court for murder but only for homicide. So, not contented with this, they're blaming now the prosecutor, saying the prosecutor sided with the accused for some other reasons. Okay, sa mga kababayan, okay? Hindi porket nagdemanda kayo ng murder sa tanggapan ng prosecutor o yung sa vernacular fiscal, murder, isusundin na ng fiscal yon o ng prosecutor. Titingnan niya ang inyong ebidensya. Kung napatunayan ninyo na mayroong qualifying circumstances tulad ng treachery o yung pagpatraidor na pagpatay, or merong evident premeditation na plinano talaga at dapat patunayan nyo yan. At there is cruelty or abuse of superior strength, papatunayan nyo yan. Kung hindi nyo mapatunayan, ang prosecutor ay ipafile ang tamang kaso ayon sa batas na homicide lamang, hindi murder. Hindi porket nakalagay sa resolution, yung pinadala sa akin, may nakasulat kasi the weapon used in killing the victim was not recovered. Hindi yun ang dahilan. Kaya ang fiscal or prosecutor nag-conclude na ang crime ay homicide. Hindi. Kaya sinabi ng fiscal na homicide kasi hindi napatunayan yung binanggit natin kanina na qualifying circumstances. Huwag adagan natin magpagbintangan yung piskal, nako, kumampik, etc., etc. Saka sa mga ganyang pagkakataon, mga kababayan, isang guni nyo sa abogado. Marami kasi sa ating kababayan, doon ipakita sa mga kaibigan nila na magagaling magsalita at hindi naman abogado. Kaya ang sasabihin, sagot na pabalagbag. Pabalagbag. At minsan pa talagang magyayabang pa na siya ay marunong pa sa abogado. Kasi insecure sa mga kaibigan niya o kakilala niyang abogado. So sana nakatulong ito mga kababayan, na hindi porkit may pinatay, ang kaso agad ay murder. No, 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 no. Patunayan yung mga qualifying circumstances. Kung wala, ang krimen na ipafile ng piskal sa hukuman ay homicide lamang, hindi murder. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.